recording. Here's Brooke and Sarah doing cinnamon challenge. Okay, get it.
Okay, good luck, girls.
Oh, God.
Be careful. Don't choke to death.
We won't.
Okay.
Oh, my God.
No, you have,
It's
to,
good.
have,
It's
you
good.
have to have full spoon.
Yeah.
Fine.
Okay.
Okay.
That's good now.
I'm afraid.
Okay, be brave.
Jeez.
It's gonna burn.
Alright, are you ready? Quit laughing. 2, 3. Brooke loses.
I can't do it.
Brooke loses. Did you get it down? No?
Everybody just hit that button. It's the same button. Oh my God.
No, Brooke. Yikes.
Oh, God.
Hey, keep down.
Ooh. I don't think it works.